8 easy ways to prevent costly repairs to your car. We all know how expensive car repairs can be. And don't get me started on those regular maintenance costs. But it doesn't have to be that way. Here are 8 easy ways you can prevent costly repairs to your car. Number 1, change your battery. Car batteries last about 3 years on average. When they get old, they don't work as effectively compared to new batteries. And old car batteries may cause damage to your car's electrical system too. So to avoid any unexpected problems, just replace your car battery every 3 years or so. Trust us, it costs far less to buy a new battery than to repair the damage caused by a faulty battery. Number 2, keep your fuel above 1/4 tank. Don't be stingy and let your car run with almost no fuel. There are lots of delicate components inside your car engine that work best when it has sufficient fuel. Running your car with low fuel can also prematurely burn out your pump. So to avoid damaging your car's engine, keep at least 1/4 th of your tank filled. Number 3, avoid transmission flushing. Transmission flushing can cause lots of damage to your car's engine. All the dirt that's stuck in the various oil caps can be swooped up and will all end up in one place, and you don't want that. Not to mention, most of the time it can void your transmission warranty too. So it's best to avoid doing a transmission flush and stay on the safe side. Number 4, don't use cruise control in bad weather. When the road is snowy or slippery, it's best if you avoid using cruise control. If you do end up sliding, then don't try to fight the drift and brake hard, cause that can end up making things worse. Instead, try to steer the car slowly and regain control. Number 5, do not use tires of different sizes. Oftentimes we see that the spare tire that people use is of a different size. That can damage your car's diff, which is costly to repair. When one of the tires is not of the same size as the rest, the car thinks that that tire is slipping and tries to lock it up to avoid slipping. So avoid using a mix of small and big tires. If however you are in a situation where there is no other alternative, then what you can do is use the diff. So for a rear wheel drive, put the oddball tire in the front, and for a front wheel drive, put the odd size tire on the rear. Number 6, leave frozen sludge alone. In winter, when you park your car and come back and see all that snow that piles up on your bumper, and sometimes you kick the bumper to get rid of that snow, yeah, that's a problem. When you kick your cold plastic bumper, it can cause damage to the bolts and the plastic. Just leave it alone, and when it gets warm or you start driving, it will automatically wash off. Or take the car to the car wash to clean it off if needed. Just don't go kicking your car and causing extra damage. Number 7, cold water and hot engine don't play well together. If your engine gets hot and you have to cool it, then don't use cold water. Pouring cold water over a hot engine can be very damaging to your car. Instead, use as warm water as possible to avoid any costly repairs. Number 8, take care of your car. Don't be one of those people who wait till the last minute to get their car repaired. Oftentimes the issue that could have been fixed easily ends up doing more damage because it was not tended to on time. That you need to get around. So take good care of it, and it will last you a long time and won't cause you much trouble.